Okay, well, it's been a while. Just thought I'd do a run through of what's been going on. MX-5, since the last video, has had all the rust sorted. It's had a new sill on this side, bit of stuff on that side. New arch and sill on this side. You can see it's slightly different colour, but it'll get resprayed at some point, so that's not really a problem. I think other than that, that's all that's really happened to this. We'll be sorting the engine bay on it because it needs a bit of tidying, but the main priority at the minute sorting this out. So these are the second set of lights I got for it. The first set are these ones, and then I also got a different set of wheels. So these are also the second set, but I'll show you them as well. So these are the new, they're Conformotives. I like the style, it's very 90s, so it fits in the car well. Seems it's fairly stock as well, rather than having some big wide wheels for it that don't really fit like the other ones. Currently tidying up the engine bay finally, so just doing a quick strip down. This will all be red again, probably blue, just obviously a bit tidier. Got new manifold, got new inlet manifold, just painted in the shed. You can see it's everywhere. Got a full aircon system, ignore that, that's a radiator for MX-5. This is new intercooler, front mount intercooler for the S13. But yeah, all aircon stuff which needs to go on. Steering wheel for the S13 at some point. I've had it before I had the car, start fitted it, stonks. New manifold, bit of stainless action there, yeah. Oh yeah, scratch it. But yeah, all painted up, got the badge on whereas the other one hasn't, so that will look nice. New tank as well, because the other one's got a hole in it, and also that's clean. Odd bits and bobs, but yeah. Oh, and it's managed to find a stock spare wheel because it's had 5 full spares for it. But yeah, so we'll just get on with bits and bobs, you know. But it'd be nice to make it a bit tidier because I do like a clean engine bay, and this is nothing but clean. So yeah, hopefully soon I'll be able to show you the progress on the engine bay. But yeah, I think it's going well. You know, having 2 projects at once is never a good idea, but loving it. Oh yes, also had the roof done black. I'm not sure when I first got it done, I wasn't sure whether to have it painted or not. Wrapped kind of like a temporary thing, but I like it, so I'll probably get sprayed at some point. But yeah, it's all going well, so hopefully a bit more progress on it soon. But yeah, we're all sound. Okay, welcome back. Been busy since the last video. I think this was just about stripped down last time. As you can see, it is now all red, including extra bits that won't even be seen. I think it looks pretty good, to be honest, considering it was a stain before. As you can see, more bits came off. Yes. Yeah, this is got bits everywhere, all painted up, ready to go on, which should be next few days, hopefully, if it's not raining. All looking nice and fresh, as you can see. So yeah, we're getting there, step by step. It's been a big task, but enjoyable. Last few bits have been lacquered, but yeah, we're getting there. Hopefully I'll get the manifold on today. Bit of a pain of a job, but right. I could start putting bits back on, just to tidy up, because it's a bit of a state to walk around the shed at the minute. But yeah, looking pretty fresh. Yeah, hopefully once that's painted black I can take all the masking off and it should all be done. But yeah, I'll cut back to a video a bit more assembled. Okay, so a bit more progress, as you can see. This side's almost fully together. A few odd bits, replacing a few rusty bolts with some stainless ones. That's only loosely fitted at the minute, as you can see, not plugged in either. Hopefully I can get them bolts for the aircon, which is I've just refitted, but if not I can just take some stuff off, no biggie. But yeah, it's looking pretty tidy. Just replacing some of the silicone pipes which were underneath where the intake manifold is. They were them red ones. Now going for black, so it looks a bit more normal. Didn't really like having red pipes on a red car, it just looked odd. So yeah, hopefully it'll make it look a bit better. And yeah, hopefully I'll have this on in the next few minutes. If not, I'll be crying. So I realised I didn't actually do any updates. The last video was November, it is now January. So yes, it all got refitted. Still waiting on some stickers to finish it off. But intake was back on. I refitted it. It was fine. Looked underneath, noticed a small drip from the secondary intake, which you can't really see, but it's under there. So you have this one and then a secondary. Yeah, and the joint on that was leaking straight to the block itself. I had to take it all back off again, which is alright because I've already done it once, so it wasn't too hard. But yeah, since then it's been alright. I think other than that, it's done really, and I'm quite proud of it. I didn't think it actually turned out as well as it has, but yeah, I think in the last video the firewall wasn't painted either. I did that as well. Yeah, you can see it's looking pretty tidy now. Got a new expansion tank, and compared to the old one, it's loads better. But yeah, it runs now, and it's fine. It's wait until spring before I use it again. Okay, so it's finished. It was just these two last stickers I was waiting for. This nice Nismo one, which is of the era, on the oil cap, and again with the radiator cap. They come from America, so it took time, but the quality is just amazing. I'm not worried about them peeling at all. Yeah, I think it really just finishes the job off. Yeah, thank you for watching this, as in your ways of looking at it, quite a quick video, but a nice 4 months for me. But yeah, hopefully I can do that one next and get it looking banging. But yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Cheers.